the AAPI Heritage Month and 50 years of Hmong Wisconsinites calling Wisconsin home. Wisconsin has the third largest Hmong population in the nation, and the rich culture and values of Hmong Wisconsinites make us a better state. Today's event is an opportunity to celebrate Hmong history and what makes this community such an important part of the fabric of our state. Celebrating and uplifting the accomplishments and contributions of the Hmong community, such as it is really, really important and the key focus of our administration over the last several years. This includes declaring Hmong Lao Veterans Day in 2021 and lowering the flags every year since May 14th, an action I'll be proud to continue in just a few short days. Just last year, I signed a bill to ensure Hmong veterans can have their veteran status displayed on their driver's license or ID. Members of our Hmong Lao veteran community bravely served this nation during the Vietnam War and in conflict since, and these heroes deserve every honor and respect they've earned. Over the years I've seen incredible work being done by Hmong service organizations and small business owners, many of whom are here today. Through several state-led grant programs, I've directed several $1 million to support service organizations and small business owners for their long-term success. And around this time last year, I signed a bipartisan bill requiring schools to include education on the contributions and history of Hmong Americans and Asian Americans here in Wisconsin. And just last week, I visited a program in La Crosse that was all about sharing and honoring the rich histories of our Hmong communities. What started as a project for students has grown into a whole community affair. And I look forward to seeing that same commitment to education take shape in schools all across our state. Well, I'm very proud of all that we've accomplished together in the last 6 years. I know our work is far from over.